Teammate. It don't matter who my teammate is. It's dirty bird time. Game on! Woo! When I wake up in the morning, I realize I am the dirty bird. Folks like to play cornhole. To me, I have to throw off just to get my friends to play. It's actually a burden that I have. When I throw, it's just so simple that I actually get bored throwing like that. So I started getting improvising. And then after I started improvising and throwing like that, that was too simple too, so I started 2 at a time. Yeah, there's some perks that come with it as you become a cornhole world champion, as I have. And you know, I'm always traveling, trying to find competition, and just don't find it that much. And bag boy.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Go fetch me a caramel macchiato.
Yes, sir. Thank you for the privilege, sir.
So, anyway, I realized that throwing 2 at a time was still too easy. So, as I grew in my little cornhole days, I started throwing 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, and this one right here is for you, bro. So, at the end of the day, you will know I am the dirty bird.
That's all, folks.